G'day, thanks for checking out our Peugeot that's just arrived here. This one here has got your fog lights, fantastic clear headlights. Coming down to the side, you've got yellow wheels with plenty of tread on there. Chrome mirror covers, colour-coded door handles. And coming through inside, you've got the premium leather feel. Heated seats on driver and passenger, and that full beautiful sunroof, which is like a massive moonroof. Coming through in the back, you've got your rear blinds as well for the rear occupants. And coming through in the back, that leather trim is in just superb condition, very plush finish. Rear cup holders and aircon vents. Coming through in the front, leather wrapped steering wheel, and that roof is just absolutely incredible. Coming through into the back of the vehicle, you've got your rear parking sensors as well. Multi-function boot as well, so this drops down and you can actually change the height of your boot. I'll take that out altogether. Coming down through the side, you've got a flashlight as well, so that comes out as your torch. So if you are on the side of the road or lose power at home, you've got a torch built into your car. You've got heated seats in the driver's side as well, and you do have that stunning chrome trimming throughout. Coming through as well, done 63,000 Ks, climate control and loads of features through here as well. We look forward to speaking